Hi guys, I would like to talk about Bitcoin price today, my predictions or I try to figure out the bottom, right? Okay, today it's still in a range between 40k and 50k. Let's have a look at the chart. You can see the trend is a bit down, but it doesn't mean that we're in a bear market yet. So I don't think we're in a bear market yet. It's called the corrections, right? Because go to 69k and then now it's just the corrections. Yeah, it could go maybe 40k or 45k. But what I did, I tried to figure out the bottom because my strategy is to buy the dip. That's why I love the English expressions. Buy the dip. It's not financial advice. It's my point of view, right, guys? Any dip, you buy the dip and you hold long term. Yeah. And then if you are a long term investor, it doesn't matter minus 20%, plus 20%. So it's always good to buy the dip, to find the bottom, try to figure out the bottom, right? I remember that year by year, when you monitor the Bitcoin price every week or every day, you try to figure out the bottom price. You know roughly, it's not 100% sure, but you will see where's the bottom, right? When you check the news, you check Twitter, and you talk to the different people. And for example, I'm going to show you the chart here. The Bitcoin major corrections from the all-time highs from September 2010 to this year. Look, I remember in 2017 to 2008, I was trying to figure out. I mean, the all-time high was 20k. Yeah, it's depend on the exchange. An Asian exchange was 20k roughly, and then I remember I was trying to figure out the bottom. And then I was thinking about I remember the time 3,500 or 3,400. You see, I'm close. And then the bottom and the low, the very low Bitcoin low was 3,122. You see, it's very close my prediction when it was in 2008. So minus 84%. So this year is different. It's different, but it's still possible to figure out the bottom price, right? For example, if you check JP Morgan, I think JP Morgan was talking about the fair Bitcoin price, about 35k, 30k roughly. So why not? I think the bottom could be from 30k to 45k, right? So it could be your first level or the buy the dip. And if it's minus 20% again, you can buy another dip and another dip, because rich people, and you can see like a micro strategy, any down, they buy the dip. They keep buying because they hold long term. They long term holder anyway. Yeah. So if you long term holder, it doesn't matter if it crash. It's always good to buy low and sell high, right? It's just a mindset to have. In terms of the news, to be fair, there's nothing very there's no bad news anyway today, this weekend. Here, okay, there's the Indian Prime Minister calls for cryptocurrencies to empower democracy at the global summit. Okay, so every year they're talking about regulations, and then a Chinese ban has one of the mining businesses a few weeks ago. So, and then they just left the country anyway. They left China to go to different country. So there's no big impact. So, you see, and there's a lot of news about NFT. Is a bubble as well. We all know there's a bubble on NFT. So nothing really new, right? So just talking about the staking businesses. But now this year, there's a lot of exchange like Binance, cryptocurrencies, Crypto.com, and Nexo. They basically, you can send your token to their platform, and then you get interest, right? You basically staking. They call it staking coin. And here, for example, Bitcoin. If you have some Bitcoin, you can send to their wallet, and you will receive 8% interest per year. It's not bad. It's better than banking savings account, right? and then Ethereum 8%, XRP 8%, stablecoin like USDT 12% here, USDC 12%, Pax dollar 12%, Euro pound 12%, okay, Bitcoin Cash 8%, Litecoin 8%, Binance Coin 8%. You see, it's quite good interest, right? So I don't know why people keep panicking. Oh, it's down, the market's gonna crash. We are in a bear market, etc. Read your long-term invest. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, right? Look, Polkadot 15% interest. Wow. Even Dogecoin is 3% interest. Okay, fair enough. Solana 8%, Avalanche 17. Look, Polygon Matic 20% interest per year, guys. It's more than inflation. You see, you can make money, right? Passive incomes. If you have a lot of cryptocurrencies in your portfolio, look, you can do some staking businesses, right? 20%, 70%, 8%, etc. You see? Now let's talk about my project FGuBox, our cryptocurrencies box. So you can manage basically the your crypto portfolio here in our website. For example, click here. For example, you bought one BTC, right? 1 year ago, an example, like 25,000 or whatever, 1 year ago. Let's have a look. In January, for example, purchase, boom. You see, 1 BTC, the price and the value of your portfolio, of course, is just 25,000, right? And then now, today, because the Bitcoin price is 48,424.50, your portfolio is 48, okay, and your profit and loss is 23,424.50, and this balance here it would display in the box. You can see in on the top corner on the right side. And then another example, for example, XRP, you bought maybe 6,000 XRP 1 year ago, 0.19. Just an example anyway. So let's have a look. Here in January, purchase bought 60,000 at 0.919. So you spend 1,140 US dollar 1 year ago, and now because the XRP price is 0.82, your portfolio is 4,920 US dollar. Profit here you can see 3780, and total balance here it would display in a box. Yeah, I think Solana is the best. I think was the best project, right? Let's have a look at Solana. Imagine you bought, and what it was 1.5 1 year ago. Solana. Buy. Okay, so you spend 375 US dollar, and now look at your portfolio now of Solana portfolio. Look, 41,987.50 US dollar, because the Solana price is 167.95 now. Can you see your portfolio? Boom, will display on the top as well. Now we're working on the apps, on the Android apps and the OIS apps as well. I will let you know, but I don't know yet when are we gonna basically raise fund, because it's quite a tough time this year. You know, you have COVID-19 pandemics, and next year we don't know. We will check and try to figure out when we can raise money and have more investor and people to support, to back basically our project. Because our box, you know, what we did, we decided to create the stock as well, the FGuBox, but for the stock exchange, like a French CAC 40, DAX 40, for the German stocks, FTSE for the UK, and Dow Jones as well. And the box can display the value of the share, the stocks, and you can manage your stock portfolio as well, right? And the project is to set up the FGuBox tracker, basically apps for Android, smartphone, etc. And you can manage basically your portfolio, crypto portfolio, stock portfolio in the Android apps, plus on a physical box as well, FGuBox physical. Yeah. So I hope you spend a very good weekend, guys. Bye bye. See you later.